Here are the 3 reasons you need to have Barro's Pizza in McKinney, Texas. Number 1, it's Grandma's 100-year-old family recipe, all the way from Sarconi, Italy. Number 2, they fly in their ingredients from all across the United States. Number 3, family owned and operated, and boy, can you feel it when you walk inside. And now my favorite part, the taste test. All right, ooh, it's so hot. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Definitely passes the cheese test. My hands are burning. Oh, yeah. That warms the heart and the esophagus. Oh, let me try the crust. Oh. A crusty exterior, a pillow inside. Oh. This whole thing just melts my heart. Do yourself a favor. If you're in McKinney, Texas or Arizona where their home base is, make sure you make it over to Barro's Pizza. And remember, it's time for pumps and pizza.